Mic test. Mic test. Tanong-tanong ka dyan, Pops. Turuan ko kayo paano mag-trading ng without capital. Wala pa? Wala pa. Tingnan ko nga yung settings nito. Baka... Oh, nandun sa Nurse Gringo live. Good evening, guys. Marinig niyo ako, Pops? Hello. Hello, mic test. Mic test. Hello, mic test. Wala pa akong viewers ya. I think waiting for the viewers. Ririnig. This trade is it's not a ano to soon to also I'll close this soon. I think the market will reverse very soon. I don't know. Okay, I'll close this trade. I'm not confident of this trade. Let's see. And ang real market opening is 7:30 Pops. Mamaya magdi-discuss ako. Wala pa tayo. This time, ano ko I will put the anatomy of this so let's close this trade. This is a failed trade. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, this is a failed market because it's 7:18. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's failed one. So it's not really advisable to trade during. Okay, okay. Let's close the trade. So that's not a. Okay. I'll put the anatomy of Asia market. Anatomy of Asia market. So, link. Okay. Wait. Hello, good evening. Hello, Mr. Alan Zambrano. What's up? Thank you for tuning in. How are you, bro? Hello, awful cyber. Uh, Thank you for everything. Got my wow. That's a huge. So I'm assuming that you have 5K. So meaning last week you were able to have a profit of 10,000 maybe. But wow. Sending you some gift. Sure. I'll send you my zip code and my. I will send you my address. I'll accept anything, but actually, you really don't need to. But if you will give me something, of course, I will not refuse. But uh, yeah, I'm flattered. Thank you so much, awful cyber. Thank you so much. Congratulations to your first paycheck. That's a huge money for a week, right? Like congratulations. Uh, Good. Keep what you're doing. Keep the emotion check and trade well. That's so good. Like I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Yeah, I will send you. I will give you. I will send you my location, and you can send me anything you want. I will accept it. I'm happy for you. Keep it up. Keep it up. Um, Hi, pal. How are you there in Virginia? Thank you for tuning in. So, yeah, actually, I don't know what I want to talk today, but I think I almost give everything all about this strategy, and I don't want to. I have a bad day today. I was trying to pass a combine earlier. during New York session, and I lost like a I think 600, 600 from that combine. But uh, I, yeah, I suppose uh, I thought I can pass this combine on a New York session, but I was wrong. So, yep, it's not always a win. So now it's Asia session. So I'm not trading. I'm not trading a real account because it's Asia. I'm using my combine. So I'm almost there. Like I have a profit of 1,230, and of course we need to reach 3,000 in order for this account to in order to pass this account. So I'm hoping that I can do that this Friday. Actually, I have like four combines here that I'm trying to pass. Uh, Two of these combine is not for mine. I'm trying to help my friend. This 150K is my new combine. Uh, I'll show it to you. So I'm on positive 3,000, 3,445. So I need like 4,000 plus 4,000 or 4,500 because we need 9,000 in order to pass this 150K combine. So if I pass this one, this will be my 400. Yeah, this will be my I think third 150K, but I already received I already received they offer me to go live, a live account, but I don't want yet. We'll see. Um, but I don't want to rush. I don't want to pass. I don't want to rush anything. I would like to use this 150K as a live account, and then this 350K it's not mine. They asked me to if I can pass this for them, but they are doing while I'm trading this one. They're also doing a demo account. I told them that I will pass this, but they need to pass the demo account that I gave to them, 150K. If they will able to pass those 150K that they are trading right now, then that's the time that I will give this back to them, because there's no reason to give them an express funded account if they are, you know, they're not good, because they will end up blowing the account. So uh, I told them, okay, let's do that. So yeah, actually this 150, I don't know how will I still don't know how to give, because the one I passed 2 days ago is uh, it's my friend's account, and that account is uh, it's his account, but this one is tied up to my account. I don't know how. I will ask. I don't know if you can endorse an account, because I paid this one. Like I bought this all account, and this I don't know if I can give to someone. I don't know if that's possible. Like help me find out. I really don't know. I really don't know. But if they will not, if I cannot give it to them, then I will use this because yeah, I don't know how to endorse a combine or an account. I really don't. I still don't know if that's possible. Yep. So yeah. So now, okay, so it's the start of the market. We are on the Asia pre-opening, and then we'll start to see some movement. We'll try to find now. Okay, so we're having a movement right now. So I'm trying to well, let's try to hunt a setup. So right now, I think we're having a good move here. So let's see if we can trade this one, because this is a continuation setup. Cross was happened earlier here. This is the cross of the moving averages. The crossing of moving average 9 to exponential moving average 21. Let's see. That's the first step that signals us to sell. And of course, the super trend shifted to bearish. Here, bear super trend, and we have a series of displacement. First, we do have The market structure shape was happening here. Let's see if we can trade this one. I will enter one position, and I'll put my stop loss here. So we're not risking that much, right? 140 dollars is fine. Let's see if this will work. So we have, where's the market shift? So market shift was happened here. This is the market shift. This is where we have the market shift. And since I told you many times, I don't want to trade. It's my rules not to trade before 7:30 because I don't see because of the volume. Volume wise, it's not that good. So this is the market shift, and after now we do have, this is the first displacement that we have here. It's not a high probability displacement because we did not the candle did not close like the candle closed here on the wick. It's not on the body. So this, but I'll consider this a displacement. This candle here, that's a displacement to the bearish side. Yep. So that's the step number three, right? I know. I'm sorry. Step number three is, yeah, it's a displacement. So let's see. I'll put this 3 displacement. Okay. And then the price continued after that displacement. We did not retest the fair value gap. There's a fair value gap there. So that's why this displacement is not high probability displacement. We do have a very fair value gap here. That price tried to retest, but we did not able to reach that one. So that's why it's not a good entry for me. And after that, again, we have another displaced candles that cause break of structure. So this time, it's a break of structure. We have a break of structure here. Okay, and this event happens before my no trading zone. I put it there actually. My event no trading zone is from here to there, and then after this break of structure, we have another break of market shift. We have a market shift or displaced candles. We have a multiple displaced candle caused by the heavy seller on this low volume market. Displaced candles. This one here is the displaced candles. It's easy, right? This strategy is super easy, actually. It's easy, and the strategy will help you how to read price action and market structure. Another displaced candles that cause break of structures, and then another displacement candles that cause another break of structure. So this is first we have a market shift. So the difference between break of structure and market shift is that market structure shift causes actually the real market structure shift here is this one here. But because we shift, the super trend shifted a brief shift to bullish, so that's why we will consider this the break of market shift, because we're on bull for a brief period of time and then we switch to bearish again. So that's why market shift. So market shift, the difference between break of structure and market shift is where the market shifted from bull to bear, and then break of structure is where we break the newest form higher low, then we form a new lows, and then we keep on forming lows. So that's why then every time we break that previous lows, we're breaking, there's a break of structure. So now we are on my trading zone, and then again someone sold and we displace again. There's a displacement candle again, and that caused another break of structure. And by this time, because I'm on my trading zone, this is the time that I will enter the market. So it's up to you. The rules that I'm like saying, you can enter here if you want. But I'm not confident of entering this market because this is low volume, more on algorithmic pattern. I don't know. That's my theory. But 7:30 and beyond is more because Asia market is soon to open and we will have a good volume. So I will start hunting setups from 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. and then after that, 9:30 I'm done trading. It's not always a guarantee because if I enter here, I have the profit already, but I don't want to break my rules. So now we have a displacement, and this displacement, I entered early. I did not wait for the market to, you see the market trying to retest the fair value gap. So we have a fair value gap here, and right now the market is trying to retest, or the price is trying to retest that one. So that's my fair value gap with volume imbalance. We have a multiple volume imbalances, but this is my high probability fair value gap now to this time. So I don't want to complicate things. So I will not. Let's not add something like that not written on my description, like that volume imbalance that I keep on saying. Let's forget about that. Let's focus on everything that has a gap or inefficiency. We will call it inefficiency gap or fair value gap. And this time, this is the high probability fair value gap because it caused by this displaced candle, right? So okay, so I put my entry here, and actually this entry is a good entry. I'm on the base of the fair value gap. I'm just on the base of the fair value gap. So I entered the neck just the base of the fair value gap, which is okay. And as you can see, the optimum entry, this is the optimum entry that I'm trying to uh, teach to you is the 50% of this fair value gap. And so here we we're able to, I think, yeah, I think that's the 50, almost right. So that's the optimum entry. Uh, Optimum entry. So that's the number 4 steps is the optimum entry. So we have there. So price mitigated the optimum entry, right? Mm, yep. Uh, all right. So now we're still on the zone. Uh, the price will still, I think, we already tested it once. So we have one. So this fair value gap is not virgin anymore. So we'll see until here. Uh, yeah. We'll see how this trade works. So it's 140. Let's aim for 1 is to 2. 140 times this, so 180, okay? Let's aim for 1 is to 2. All right. Let's try that. 1 is to 2 is not bad. Let's see, 1 is to 2. And of course, it's not always a guarantee, but 1 is to 2. That's 1 is to 2. Where's my 1 is to 2? Actually, my stop loss is uh, way above the ideal stop loss because stop loss should be here on the first candle that created the fair value gap. But we are not risking a lot for putting our stop loss there. So it's just 140, and because I'm respecting this fair value gap here that was formed before the displacement. So that's the reason I'm just respecting that. So maybe I can put my stop loss here, right? On this where the super trend where the level of super trend, that's not bad. Let's put it there to minimize our risk. So 105, and let's aim for 102, 110, I mean. 1 is to 2, right? Okay, let's see. So let's see about that. All right. I'm happy. One of someone will send me a gift. So we tested again that fair value gap. I'm holding this trade until, so I have an option. Our option to exit, it's already uh, I hope we have a good market today because uh, today's New York session is really bad. I really hate the market today. I was not hoping for that. Uh, Hi Don, how are you? How's your day? How's your day? Did you able to trade your new Express funded account? I know you passed three Express funded account, 150K. You told me. Congratulations for that. I hope you have a bad. I hope you have a good. Sorry. I hope you have a good day trading. Uh, hi Don. Uh, uh-huh. Why? Uh, yeah. Yes. I traded today. Yes. I traded today and I lost. It's a bad market. So now I'll try to hold this unless and I will exit if the super trend will shift or my my stop loss will hit. So that's why I put it on this. So now the price retest this fair value gap, the extreme fair value gap, and we don't have a true consolidation yet. I think I don't wanna guess. I just want to follow the this strategy that I'm showing to you. It's let's see that. So we this one is nullified, and we still have a good gap there, inefficiency gap. Uh, we have though the this one here that that's our exit option B. When the moving average, the blue one, this is moving average 9, simple moving average 9 cross the smooth moving average 10. So the purpose of this red line is for you to exit the market early if you feel that the price or if you feel that you're not confident or there's a possibility of reversal. So by now, I should be exiting, but uh, because the super trend still, I want to choose, I will exit once we have the exit option D, which is the shift of super trend and the crossing of the moving average 9 to the exponential moving average 21. So that's why I keep this trade. I'll keep it. So, all right. So I think we will hit the 1:2. We'll see. And if I see a good displacement with fair value gap at this level, maybe scale. I will scale the the trade because uh, let's find let's find our psychological level. So let's see what is our psychological level tonight, this Asia session. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So my psychological level tonight on the bearish side is 300, uh, 20,350. And I will explain to you again, to those who don't know, to those new here, like Sir Alan Zambrano. Sir Alan Zambrano is a stock market trader, and they are powerful. And Lester Pakingan, they are a big traders. They they trade for living. So, and then my upper side is 20,480. 20,400. That is our upper side psychological level. Okay. So a psychological level is it's like even numbers that where most of the people put their orders. So since we're and this is applicable on stock markets, but since we're talking about indices and this is a combination of multiple stock markets, so I think we can apply that. So a psychological level is where you put your order to buy or sell. So Sir Alan Zambrano knows this. If you are a stock market trader, it's a psychological or like an unconscious mind of like buying stocks that you put you used to put your order on an even number like 20,400, 20,300, or like 500, 400, 100, 200, like that, or 350, 250, 450. So we seldom put our order on like an odd number, right? So most of the people are like that's their unconscious mind. They will put their orders also. Like if you're buying something, you don't wanna complicate things by uh, paying with cents or like point 0.5 or point 0.3 or point 0.03. Like you want to buy like $1, $2, like something like that. It's the same concept. So tonight, most if you check the order book, most likely on the order book, you will see some orders on this level, and you will see some orders on this level. Order to sell on this level and order to buy on this level. So that's why if I want a target, if I want a target where I put my take profit, it should be here, right? And if I want a target where to put my take profit on an upper side, if I will buy, it should be here on 20,400. So that's a psychological number, and I did not invent that. I read somewhere. There's a book. Uh, it's about trading and investing, and it's where I learned that one. All right. So we tested this one, and we still keep on testing it. Now I don't know. Let's see. Where's our super trend? We're still supporting the bearish. Super trend is still in the bearish. We failed this optimum entry here, and then we are now currently consolidating. And let's wait for the market to open, and we'll see. Right. Hello, Serge Jover. Thank you for tuning in. Hello, man. I have a 11,000 viewers tonight. Thank you for coming and join me on this boring session. So, so I'm not really trading real things. So this is just to share to share you this strategy. Maybe it will help you if you want to ask something. Please throw there in the let's put it on the comment, and I'll try to share everything I know about trading futures or even trading forex. I'll try to give you some idea on a trading about trading futures. So I'm more on scalping. So this strategy is for a scalper. Let's see. I think I'll see. I'll hold this trade, I think, unless we fail this fair value gap, and then let's hold this trade. Let's see. We're still on the bearish super trend, and if on trend line, we'll steer on the bearish. Let's see here. And we have a tight stop loss. just because I'm not confident of trading. Uh, yeah, I don't. Yes, I trade crypto, and yes, this strategy works best on Bitcoin and on a crypto. If you wanna if you're like scalping crypto, this works well. I tested it. I back tested it many times uh, using major coins. Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin. Sometimes you will on a Bitcoin you will have a good trending market. So you see, right after I I hit my stop loss, we switched. So we will not enter the market until Asia opening. If we fail this one, the, I keep we have a very bad market. This one is a good trend, but it's just I don't trade that this time. Okay, so we'll see. So now I have my consolidation zone. So I'm waiting for the market to switch, and then I will draw my consolidation zone, and then I think this will be consolidation range. Consolidation range on upper side, and we break that. I think we're going to buy. Okay, all right. Okay, maybe we can. We have a market shift. Market shift formation. So I know that that trade is a low probability because the real setup was happen here, and I enter on a continuation setup, and this is one, two, like one, two, three. It's a third setup already. So it's a third setup already. So now I think this is a confirmed reversal. So the only reason why I entered this is because it's on the opening, and uh, I'm expecting that the market will go down here. We'll see. So this is a market shift. Let's see if we can enter this market on this fair value gap that we asked for. So this is a new fair value gap. So same steps, crossing of that the moving average, and we have a shift of super trend, and then we have a displacement. And let's try to put our entry here. This time I'm confident that I will buy. I will two. Okay, on an optimum entry. So let's see. Let's see. Cross step one. That's the crossing. Forward, and then we do have this. Let's remove that one. It's still okay. So this is what we will do. I will wait for that market to test this one. I will not, because I think our displacement is good. We can we can enter on this. So let's wait for that. I think this is a good entry. I'm confident. So let's wait for that. And we have a shift of super trend on a bull, and we have a displacement, bear side displacement. That's the number three. A bull side displacement. We have that. Uh-huh. Let's remove this one. Mhm. Okay, so let's see. We break that upper side consolidation, and yeah, I think this is yep. Okay, almost there. Hit it, hit it, hit. Oh, go. I'm on 50%, right? Yeah. Why did that? What happened? I cannot wait for you. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we're there. And let's put our stop loss here. 150 is not bad. Uh-huh. It's not bad. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see about let's try this market. Okay. All right, what do you think of our entry? Uh, I'm just following this strategy religiously, so I will 150. Put let's respect this market. 368 here. Uh, yeah, maybe. So let me see if I still have a room to because I don't want to lose more than 400. Let's give more room. I will. Okay, I agree. Let's see. 368. I'm risking 360. Not bad, right? I think it's okay. 360. Uh, but I think hmm, yeah, that's a good one. 360. So I need to move my or else I'll end up losing if I will not. Let's put my to 500. So yeah, okay, it's already 500. 500. Let's give a room. Let's for 500. So this is a combine. So let's break the rule. Just combine. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Uh, we're just this is a combine. So let's see. So my my real one is this one here, but I think this. So we're seeing some move right now because of the opening. It's 1 minute to go to for the market to open Asia, and we break this. We're about to break this structure here. So this fair value gap is a high probability fair value gap. Let's why it's red. Let's change that. Let's change that. Thank, but thank you for your suggestion. I follow that gladly. 360 just to give more room. But use actually my extreme stop is where the super trend level, but the ideal is on the first candle that formed the fair value gap. That's supposed to be so. We're having a good market. I will scale this one to this psychological level that I'm eyeing. All right. But yeah, so uh, this is a reversal on this time frame, and it's a good call, right? So we have a on point setup. This is a first setup, same as the setup that we have earlier here. The one I enter is a continuation setup, and it's low probability because it's already like a third setup formation on this trending market here. Now we enter perfectly. This is an example of perfect setup on an optimum entry, and it's a good one. This is the first good entry that I entered today because during your I do a live earlier, and if you review my live there, I entered on the multiple time frame, multiple setup that I've seen, but it's on consolidation, and the problem during a New York AM session consolidation is a high volume, and the candle with a high volume will cause high stop loss. So I'm not really I just followed the strategy that I'm trying to show to you. Without this, I don't have any idea where to enter the market. Unless if I will use ICT, most likely my entry will be on this inversion fair value gap here. Most likely my entry will be here, but ICT is not that. Sometimes I was on ICT and my winning percentage is 30%. So let's see, we have a fair value gap that forms here, and this is a good time to put your stop loss to the first candle that formed this fair value gap. So now we're break even. Okay, so now we are not afraid to lose anymore. The market already went up, fair value gap, another good like high probability fair value gap formed, and you see this candle here, how this candle failed. Most likely same as this one. So maybe, but I'll just make, let's put it on a break even. And I'm afraid of a candle like this with this. If this one here, I will explain to you. Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe this is a volume imbalance. A volume imbalance. I tried to explain it. I explained this many times, and most likely those who's returning to this live already knows about this. Oh, so this one is a volume imbalance. A volume imbalance happens when there are more buyers because we're on a buy side than a seller, and we have a volume imbalance right here. And this one, this inefficiency candle, it's a fair value gap. A fair value gap is where there are no activity, so there is no seller around this area and around this area. So that's why the market cost has an inefficiency or has a gap. So that's a fair value gap. That's basically the definition of fair value gap. So a buyer puts the price. Here we have imbalance. We don't have like there is a in volume like yeah, the term itself volume imbalance. So the difference between volume imbalance and fair value gap is that volume imbalance, I'm afraid that it is here, but I'm confident enough maybe because we have this good fair value gap. So if we have a volume imbalance without fair value gap, the tendency for the price is to fill that imbalance before going to either upper direction or lower direction, because this one is not a retest. The price will fill that up. Then the fair value gap is will form, it's a gap, an efficiency gap, and will form, it's like a resistance or support. So price will try to retest the fair value gap and will, if they failed, will go back to like right now. You see, the price is trying to retest it, retested once, and now trying to retest again. So this is a good support. This fair value gap, these two fair value gap is a good one, a high probability. But volume imbalance, I'm afraid that if the volume imbalance if this fair value gap failed, price will fill this up, and we still have here this fair value gap. But this fair value gap is actually it's fine. I'm not because we form another inefficiency here, and this inefficiency is not yet tested. This gap is not yet tested. But this is the real fair value gap. But we can consider also this one as a fair value gap. So this is a displacement candles. So we'll see about that. Hmm. Yep. Yeah, I think yeah, I think that's a good call. But now we form. If I assess this market, I think we are on a wide range right now because our range is this one here. Our range started here. It's on this psychological number. I didn't notice that we tested this psychological number. So I'm thinking that uh, right now this is our we're forming new higher consolidation or new higher range, and this could be our new range, and this is still the new range for the lower side. So maybe we will play on this area for tonight. And this is a good range because it's a wide range and we have a chance to apply the strategy and we have a chance to scalp. right? So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, now we already hit our 1 is to 2. If we, because the ideal stop loss was here. This is where I enter, and this is my optimum entry, and it's more than 1 is to 2 already, right? It's more than 1 is to 2 already. So as you can see, I will take this because I'll take this. We are more than 1 is to 2 already, like 3. So I'll take this. It's not bad. And then I'll take, let me see. I think I will scale it. So now we're forming like a minor consolidation here, but I don't see. Do we have a news today? I don't think so. Let's see. So this what caused the market to move like that. I haven't noticed that. Wait, when was this? 7:30? And the time. Yeah, this is the reason why we move like that, I think. This is today, right? Top QCPI overall actual. Today is 24. Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. So this what caused the market to move like that. It's a Japanese market, so that's why. It's a so. Oh, I haven't noticed that. Let's see. So I was talking. I hope I accept this. So it's fine. Maybe I was talking. It's okay. Let's see. So uh, yeah. So now I was not paying attention, but it's fine. Let's see. So we tested, my stop loss. So I was not paying attention. I'm about to exit that entry, but it's fine. It's no worries. Where is our super trend? Did we shift it already? We did not yet. So let's see. Huh. We're still on the. It's a good. I think this is a good one. Let's see. Let's try that. Go back there. Okay, I think this is a bad idea to enter the market, but we'll see. We'll see this one here. And we are not, we are still on the discount zone, so that's why I'm confident, I think. Let's try to from here to there. Yeah, we are in the discount zone. And that's a manipulation. That's huge manipulation. So let's see about this trade, and we'll still want to get that area there. My exit end option is still not, like, we did not mitigate the exit. We're about one exit. Super trend is still, now we are on the bearish super trend actually. Ah, that's a bad call, but it's fine. I'll hold this trade. Mhm. That's a bad call. Uh-huh. 375. This is a good entry. It's on the where the displacement started earlier. So if you enter here, I think this is a good call for a continuation to a bull side. That's a perfect one. I think that's good if you wait for that. I think, and then I'm thinking that the market will still consolidate to this area. But for me, the reason why I entered is because seven, it is a manipulation, and it's caused by I was caused by this one here. Uh, this one. Why it's not showing? This is the reason. This news. But we're going back now. Okay. So I'm keeping this trade. Uh, I'm still hoping that the market will hit this psychological level. But yeah, I'm still if this blue line, this moving average 9 will cross the exponential moving average 21, which is the green line. I will exit the market, win or loss. So that's because I'm just following this strategy, nothing else. Okay, let's hope for like that. All right, let's see. They, you know, this is a very good manipulation because maybe caused by that news and everything, but there's a lot of people got stopped here in here, and that call to put the stop loss here on 360, you told me. I think Zando, that's a good read. Very good read. Like you put your stop loss on a safe area where this manipulation or this liquidity grab, uh, you can avoid that liquidity. So this is a clearly liquidity grab, and most likely, yeah, theoretically, of course, yeah, because we really don't know what's going on with all of these things. But um, I'm just following this strategy. I was an ICT trader before, but now my option B, option C, option D, one of the D is already the criteria to exit is already there, but I'm still confident because this is not a like a it's this is a manipulation on this distribution. So you see, consolidation, distribution, brief consolidation, manipulation, and I'm hoping this one is distribution to the higher side. So that's the only reason what like I'm holding the trade. Uh, Other than that, I have nothing to nothing to support my my uh, because I have nothing to support my entry right now because my strategy tells me to exit right now and most likely will tell me to exit very soon. But this one here, although we have a fair value gap here and we shifted, see, but we already and then yeah, let's see. Okay, I don't know. Oh yeah, okay. So let's see. I'm still holding this, but I think I will minimize my loss. Put it here, because but once this will cross, I will exit the market. So we're almost there. There's an indecision going on right now. Boom, there. Good, good. The price action. I like that. We have a brief indecision here, but I think the buyer are still strong. Uh, I cannot check the order book because I did not subscribe to the order book, so that's why I can't check it. But we'll see. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh yeah, Zando, Sandelo. Are you an ICT trader? The way you analyze, or I don't know, support and resistance, trend line. Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, we'll see. Three. 1:2. This is my option A to exit the market. Is 1:2. Once I have my 1:2. But if I during New Year, last Tuesday, I have like a good trade and a good profit. on just following my exit option B, which is the crossing of the moving average 9 to the smooth moving average 10. I like this move now, so I think we're not going to exit the market on any time. And we already failed this. There is fair value gap. It's already failed. This gap is failed. So we're now good to continue the bull. Um, hmm, uh, let's see. What's going I'm oh, okay. Yeah, and yep. So me, I'm more on scalping. So my strategy is on the descriptions. I'm just following that one. But I'm a swing trader on forex. Maybe that's how I call it. I use smart money concept on forex, and like I trade on a 4 hour time frame. So I will exit for now, and I will wait for a displacement. And let's reset this. Um, so I will wait for the displacement because my strategy tells me that everything is so we are consolidating on a bear side, like because the super trend is supporting the bear side. So I'm just following my strategy, and my strategy tells me to relax and exit the entry. So this is my level of displacement. Let's see. Let's see. I'll see here on this one, and let's see. And then I don't consider the week actually. So we'll put on my displacement level. So let's see. So this is our consolidation zone on a minor consolidation zone, the black one, and we'll see the market will keep on consolidating in this area. We'll see. Uh, Thank you so much also for tuning in. But yeah, I was a ICT trader, so most of my terminology and price action is based on the market, based on the terminology, still on a smart money concept because although ICT trader, I don't agree with the liquidity sweep, liquidity grab thing because I always failed on that. And then now I lost trust on liquidity concept. Uh, if I want to trade based on liquidity, most likely I will just check the order book because we are talking about uh, indices or stock. This is a group, yeah, you say group of combination of stock markets. So I will check the order books. At the same time, I am more on support and resistance than liquidity because I think the concept is almost the same. And then that's why, when I was trading ICT on a silver bullet, I'm following a perfect setup, and then I did, I got, like, I have a lot of loss. I only have like 30% winning percentage, and I don't know, maybe because I'm the user of that strategy. Maybe the reason why I'm not successful is because I'm not good at it. That's why I go back to the basic support and resistance trend line, and because I am a scalper, moving averages is the best strategy for me because I want I want the trade to in on a future. I want the trade to finish as much as possible. And when you are trading a funded account or a firm, funded firm like funded account, you have no choice but to scalp because they won't let you hold the trade for a night. Like at exactly 4:10, they will close your trade. They will liquidify your trade, win or loss. So that's why there's no reason to swing trade because I don't know. That's my opinion. If I swing trade, I will lose my strategy as a swing trader. So I will rather than because of that. Uh, and then I found it like I found it more profitable to trade futures. And because of that, I tried different approaches, and then I found this combination of Supertrend, uh, this combination of Supertrend and moving averages is working well on me, and I was able to pass multiple account and have some profit. So uh, this strategy revolves on these two indicators, which is the moving averages, a combination of simple moving average and exponential moving average. And the reason why I'll explain to you the reason why I combine this thing because moving average, this is normal simple moving average. Simple moving average tends to act fast than the exponential moving average. So moving average 9 is for a scalper. If you are a scalper, you can use moving average 9 without anything if you are trying to scalp. Whenever this moving average 9 will because we're talking about short time frame will support the market and then you will sell. So then I add exponential moving average 21 because exponential moving average 21 is works fast. So it works fast. So since it works fast, I put it on a 21, which is a medium like medium time frame. Like if you're trading 5 minutes or scalping 5 minutes. So whenever they cross, that's my signal. And then after because of that, I found out that the super trend is more reliable than the global trend like EMA 100 and EMA 200, and super trend is more reliable in terms of supporting the bias on a short time frame, like 1 minute down to 15 seconds. So that's why I used that super trend, and the factor is 14. And then I back tested that strategy again and again and again, and I found out that it has a good high probability setup. So and then after that, I have a problem on entering the market. I don't know where to enter, even though I have a cross. I don't know exactly how to enter that cross or that signals because whenever I try to enter, sometimes the price will I don't know where to put my stop loss. And then I incorporated some of the idea or market or price action that I've learned from while I'm doing the ICT, which is the smart money concept, the displacement, market structure, and the fair value gap. And then when I applied that, I found out that using the fair value gap and displacement will act as a optimum entry to this strategy. And while I'm backtesting this strategy, I found out that it doesn't work on a consolidation. Like a consolidation like this, of course, will not work. A consolidation with a narrow range, of course, it will not work. Now, although I'm trying to teach you this strategy on Asia time frame, which is more on consolidation and more on low volume. The reason for that is I only have the time to share this with you on Asia time frame and the same time trade with you, show it to you. I'm not trying to explain to you blindly like those YouTuber that they will explain the strategy how it works, but they are not showing you how it works. So while doing the live, I can show it to you that it will works, and I can show it to you why it won't work. Uh, and then you will see me sometimes losing while trading, and it's not because of the strategy. Sometimes it's because of me because I'm still emotional. But that's why that's another reason why I don't trade during I don't do live. I mean during New York time, a New York session, or any of the New York session, AM, PM. The reason for that is it's a fast market, and I cannot talk this while trading at the same time. So I'm allocating Asia session to share this strategy. If you want to use this, I'm telling you, you try to use this on a New York session. You will have a good good profit, especially during Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't advise some Monday sometimes is a high volume consolidation. Same times with Wednesday. And I don't know what happened today, Thursday. We have a very bad market, but it's not that happen not that all the time, but always you will catch a good trend like twice a week. And once you apply, I'm emphasizing once you apply the optimum, sorry, the exit options, and because the reason why I put the this smooth moving average is the main reason why I put the smooth moving average 10 is for you to exit the market early if you feel like the market is against you. And also, second rationale for that is for you to catch a trending market. So if you catch if you have like, I will give you an example. Well, uh, let's go back here. Let's go to the trading view. I'll give you an example of what I'm why this is so important. Uh, 21 Supertrend 9. So I'll give you example why. So let's see about this one here. Okay, where is that bad? When was this? This one here. Okay, let's I'll give you an example like this one here. You see? So just focus on try to focus on the blue and red line. Okay, you have on a 1 minute time frame, assuming that you enter the market here, like here on this first red, assuming that you have that as an optimum entry on that on this one here because of this fair value gap. Okay, or maybe here. Let's see you enter on this market. You are on the market right now. Just focus on the blue and red. Uh, Option B to exit. Option A is 1:2. So if you enter here, you have a chance to catch all of this trend here, as you can see, this trend until they cross here. So they cross. That's an option A. So if you follow the option like you don't want to enter the market because you feel like the market is still continuing as evidenced by this super trend is still supporting the bear, you have an option to exit the market once the super trend shifted. And if you follow that, you will catch all of this trend until here, until this displacement, and until that. So you have all of this until you exit here, or uh, you decided to exit on here, and you will have all of this. So that's the importance of that, and then that's why I'm telling you, you have a chance to catch a trending market if you follow that options to exit, right? Do you? I don't know if you. So that's why um, we don't have a good. It always it's as expected during Asia time. We will not see that. But during AM session, you have that. Then earlier actually, I did not pay attention on the gold market, and we have a trending market. I haven't checked that, but earlier we have a trend market, and I was not paying attention on the gold because it's Thursday, and I love Thursday for Nasdaq. But we have this all of this, and if we follow the option to exit when the super trend shift, we will have all of this today. And I was able to catch this one here, and I have like a profit of 1,299 for that gold. So I will leave that to you to do the back test. It's and try it on an Asia, but I sorry on a New York time frame. But this one here, I'll just try to. Asia time is for sharing this strategy, and hope you understand. Uh, Hope you like it, and help you try to. If you are a scalper, maybe you will like it. And starting November 11, maybe on November, I'll be out November. I'm not doing live from November to until February because I'm finishing a course a trading course, and then I will share that on my Discord, most likely on February. And I have another strategy that I'm about to share to you, and that is less stressful, and it's not a scalping. So I'm developing a strategy on how to leverage, even though it's a future, but how to do a swing trade. And I think I found a good one, and we will try that. So you will have at least one entry a day or two entry a day, and maybe you will have like three profits, maybe three wins and two loss. I'm still back testing it, and then so far, like in a week, I have like a three wins, two loss. I don't know, sorry, like a three entry in a week, sometimes two entry in a week, and in a month you will have like at least two loss, uh, seven wins. So I'm still back testing it. So after I will finish back testing it like for a period of 6 months, I will try to trade that while I'm away. I will trade it using a demo account for 3 months, and if I have a result and good result, I will share that to you. So yeah, still, I actually, my friend Zendo, I have a videos explaining the overview of this strategy and the methodology. So I explained there why I'm using these certain indicators and why I'm using this price action to read the market. It's all in there with rationale. It's kind of long, so yeah, you can watch it. But actually, you've been trading, so I put on a description. It's so easy to follow. So it's up to you to just you know back test it, and it's up to you if you want to add some confluence or if you want to improve it. It's up to you. uh, you can share it to us. Maybe you have other way to improve this strategy, because this strategy is not mine. I don't know if I discovered it's been there. I just discovered it maybe, but I don't take uh, because I made a script actually on a trading view for this strategy, so that uh, you don't need to analyze, and whenever the signals to buy and sell happens, uh, a signal will tell you. I made the scripts, but I don't know. TradingView told me, like the moderator told me, that this is the one here. You see, I made this one here. It's a good one for swing trader. I'm still back testing it. I made a script for that. Even our Ultimo, the one that you're using right now, and the trading view blocked my script, telling me that it's not original. Maybe because it's not original because I'm using the free indicators for this one. But this one is really good. I can only use it. So it will give you a signal, hey, buy. Will give you a signal, buy, and this is your stop loss, ideal stop loss, and this is your ideal take profit. But the trading view won't let me. So they messaged me many times and telling me that, hey, you cannot publish this, and then they warned me that if I will continue publishing this, and I'll be like blocked to I cannot use TradingView anymore, and it's kind of frustrating. And I'm trying to contact them. What's the reason? Because I'm not copying anyone. I'm not trying to sell this one. I'm just want to share this one to everybody, and I'm not violating anything because this one is free. Like the indicator is there. It's been there. I don't know why they don't want me to share it to you guys, but it's here. You see. Uh, I was able to keep it there for like someone like it, boost it. I was able to keep it there for long, like for 10 days, and after that they blocked me. They don't want me to use the script. So yeah, I hate it. Uh, Hi Ngenta, yeah. Um, yeah. Let's me see. Hold on, guys. I'll be back in a second. Hi guys, sorry, I need to step out for a while. Hey again, thank you, my friend, for coming back. Yeah, of course, family first. But I hope you have a good day and have a good your days are good with the babies. Uh, okay. Hi, Zando, which links you want? What links you want me to put? I will. Mm, okay. Still there. So we are consolidating, and the market is about my trading, my what you call that? I will end my hunting. Yeah. So I don't know. It's not working. Actually, I tried this to send on my previous videos when they ask, but it's really not working. You won't be able to open it because as you can see it's red and it won't let you. But let's try if I can. I think if yeah, and because they blocked me already. They blocked me and I'm the only one who can use this one and I will show it to you. I'll put let me put this on if I can stay. So this is our strategy. You see house rules violation, so that's a problem, and they won't let me share it to everybody. So this one is very good if you are swing trader. It's about EMA crossover strategy, and with stop loss, the confluence is RSI and moving average 21, but it won't let me. I hate. I don't know why, and I think I can still use it. So I'm the only one who can use it actually, and it's not even here. It's not even here. So they don't want me to use it anymore. They blocked me totally, and this is the message that I have from them. But I will teach you this soon how to set up this one. I can teach you how to make a script if you want to. Uh, it's easy actually, but it will take some time. Like you will spend 2 hours making that script. First thing you need to do is if you need to I think you need to have an account on um, chat gpt uh, and then tell chat gpt exactly what do you want on the script. So we have a continuation setup here. I'm not paying attention, but okay, we're displacing. uh, we're displacing this one here. I'm not paying attention. Not paying attention of the shifting of the fair value gap, which is a continuation setup. So we'll see this one is a continuation setup. Although it's on the higher time, I won't be I don't want you to trade this. I'm not advising you to take this entry. Oh no, it's still good. Uh, yeah, I am not advising you to take this. It's already on a premium zone, and we will not. Yeah, it's we are already on premium zone. Uh, and or in the middle of the range already. And if you have an entry here, if you take that one here, still okay most likely. Yeah, it's still good. Mm. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's a good entry. So that's a very good entry you have there. I was not paying attention, but this is an entry a while ago that I was hoping. But this one, we'll see. I'm done trading. I don't want to trade anymore. I'm negative 70. One of my account is positive 3, negative 70, but I'm positive 3000. Uh, the lead one. You see that? If I hold the trade, it's a perfect entry, but it's fine. Uh, all right, guys. Well, I think I will see. We'll see. That's it. Let's see. I think we will have. I think I will have another. So we got that. We have it. The psychological level that I'm talking about, and let's see how this level will react. That's a good continuation setup. And very nice trade. You have a very nice trade there. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see how the market will react of this zone. If this is strong resistance or a market order, I'm seeing to I'm expecting I'm expecting, at least not tonight, that the price will go on this level. That's what I'm expecting. So let's see how it reacts. So the psychological level is taken and it acts as a good resistance. It's been like it's been a resistance earlier here during the opening. So we are in the range of the opening actually. That one here, opening of the market, and this one here. So still, let's I'm right. Let's see. Let's see. And if we fail this one and we will have an indication to sell, most likely I will sell. But I want the price to consolidate first for more confirmed. And then I want the price to, once that consolidation, once we have a consolidation in this level, we do have, we do have a consolidation we will have a consolidation in this level and we break that consolidation, I will intersell and we break again to that upper side consolidation and I will maybe buy. So we'll see. Let's see. Let's see. I think the market will try to. Cause we're done with all of that drawings because you already know. Uh, let's see if we fail this. If we fail this one, and I will enter the market for to target this zone, and I will not because we have a very good trend market, and I don't see any reason now to because we don't have anything to make the market go down by now. We already break this one here. Now I'll put my stop loss here. 160. Let me see. And I will enter again. I will add. I'll put here actually. Now I will add once we. I'll add on this level here because I will use 2 minutes time frame because it's more clear. And this one is not tested yet. I'll add now. And I'll put my stop loss here. So because we have a low volume and the 2 minutes time frame is more clear, and it's give me a good picture of a bull reversal from this short bear. So this one and this will be our, it's a very good test on this level, right? Nah, very good one. Let's see. I'm holding straight until 9:30 because I will sleep, but I need to sleep before 10. Okay. If we have, let me see. Let me analyze this. Let's give more room. 400, and I need to check my. Mm, I'm confident that I will not reach that one, but I don't want to stop the trade prematurely. It's just because of my. This one is a good call. Where I'm showing a good. This is a good pullback and showing a good resistance. So if we hit this one, most likely I will add one last time, but I'm risking a lot already. I want to practice risk management, so I won't be adding anything now. And uh, let's practice 1:2 for this scalping. Someone's calling me. Hello, pre. Umenter ako dun sa ano bro, yung sa pag-pullback. Nagkano man, Uh, all right, all right. Yeah, I think Zando. I think we're. Hey, no, I was talking to my friend earlier. Uh, he called me, so that's why I mute myself. But uh, we're aligning. Yeah, you're right. I think actually, all, earlier while I'm trading, I decided to follow your because I, I guess we're thinking the same. But you have a good call. It's a very good call, and That's a good call. So that's why when I switch to 2 minutes time frame, I see what are you trying to say. I think I get it now. Because I was on 1 minute and on a 1 minute time frame, it's really choppy, and the market is full of imbalances, volume imbalances. But if you go to 2 minutes, because we have a low volume, but if you go to 2 minutes, 2 minutes is a good giving me a good pictures, right? Very good picture. Uh, I just missed this fair value gap. I entered the market like early, and then I added early. I missed this one actually. It's a good one, right? But this is a good call. Kudos to you. You're good. You're good, man. Uh, let me see. Why we are hovering this because of this area here. Hmm, we'll see. Hmm, let me put my stop loss there. And let's see. This one will form. I think this one is a good one. Will be a good gap inefficiency. Yeah. Displacement. May, so on a 2 minutes time frame, we displace here. This is the market shift. This is this will be the real market shift on a 2 minutes time frame if we are considering this week of this. So, but this week is a test when the market opened to this psychological level, which is to 20,400. So I'm considering this is a this area here is the market shift. Uh, no, this one here. Actually, no, that one. This one market shift was here, and it's a break of structure. Market shift formation. Uh-huh. And then this on a 2 minutes time frame, this is a break of structure. I don't know if this like mean to you or something, but maybe. And this is a major break of structure, and it's a market shape on a 5 minutes time frame. If you go to 5 minutes time frame, that's a market shift. You see? Yeah, on a 5 minutes time frame, like a major market shift. But I'll consider this a break of structure on a lower time frame. But yeah, it's a change of character. I mean, mm. Yeah, the my entry here that I closed earlier was a good one, but I'm not confident because the strategy telling me to exit on this choppy market. We're not really like, but maybe if I switch to earlier, if I switch to 2 minutes, like at the start of the market, this was my entry earlier actually. This was my entry. It was here, and then my stop loss was here, and then you suggested to put the, I mean, you said you will enter the market here, and I thought it's a good play. I thought you're telling me to put the stop loss there, and it's a good way to put it. And I said, okay, I think that's good because it's way away from the displaced candles that created the market shift. So that's why. So if I switch earlier to if I switch earlier to what you call that to a 2 minutes time frame, and I'm still on the trade by now. Yeah, I'm still on the trade by now because I will only switch to yeah, I will still I will still on the trade by now, which is it's a good one, right? But of course, I'm trying to trade like a robot. I only trade what the strategy will tell me. It's like an algo trade because it's where I was able to have a good profit during the New York AM session. Mm. Yeah, okay, let me see that. Thank you, Don. Let me see. On a 5 minutes then. Oh yeah, you're right. And on a time, thank you guys. You're very good. All of you are good traders. So if we consider 5 minutes time frame on this, and we are still we don't have like we can continue more up. It's yeah. I hope you have this trade done. This is a very good trade. And right now, if we are like 5 minutes trying to do the 5 minutes time frame, we don't have an exit option. But the only reason that I will not follow the exit criteria or options on the time minute frame is that the time that this blue and the red will cross, the price will be already here, like for example. So that's why I'm not, but it's a good one. If this cross, the moment that they will cross, most likely the price will already here and we hit the stop loss. But I will take this 5 minutes now. Let's see. And we're still, it's very good. And if we like discard that option to exit and we will just hitting 1:2. Uh, good, good call. Good job, Don. Uh, Congratulations for your third express funded account. You deserve you deserve that. Keep it up and check the emotion and psychology of the trading. Uh, Forget about like aiming for big because the big profit will come to you if you continue if you have a have a consistent trading attitude. So imagine like hitting 200 per day or 400 per day or like a week. That's a big money. Like if you have a consistent 200 per day, that's the minimum that you can have. And considering you have a free funded account, 150K express funded account, you not only 200 you will have, but if you consistently check your, manage your risk effectively, you should have a golden rule that if you lost trade, like how many trades that or how many loss that you can tolerate, and keep that. And if you lost, if I lost twice, I'm done trading. If I win 10K and above on a trade, and I'm done trading for a week, like I don't because I don't want to give back the money that I have on the no, I don't want to give back to the market. So if you like for example, if you secured 5,000, and then that's good. Like you can pay your mortgage, you can pay your bills, you can pay your right. Aim for less because sooner or later it will compound, and you will be yeah. I think the only we failed on our emotion time and time again, and where you I know I'm not alone on that. Uh, the only reason that I failed many times on trading is because of my emotion and my emotion, my risk management, the revenge trading, the eagerness to trade. You want to trade even though you don't have a setup. You want to trade because it makes you happy. You want to trade because it gives you a dopamine and makes you excited, and that makes us like failed on trading. Um, yeah, I hope you can share this strategy to anyone else there who's trying to learn trading and trying to pass their funded account. I really don't need anything in return. I just want to help actually. Just share it to anybody. Uh, I'm not trying to impress you guys because I'm not good at trading. I'm not good either. I just noticed, and yeah, and that's why I'm showing my live trade because for transparency, you see if I'm not doing well, and you will see if I'm doing well. I'm not those YouTuber that trying to impress you, posting luxuries, posting their cars, posting their like achievement on trader, but they are not showing you their trades. So, uh, and then other reason that I cannot show you my personal express funded account or trading funded account is for, of course, for privacy. I'm not earning, to tell you guys, I'm not earning a lot in there. I'm just maintaining, I'm just aiming enough to pay bills and aiming enough to to buy rice. We eat rice. We are Filipino, so we love rice. Uh, then bread and milk. So if I can aim for to pay those things, that's the only thing that I want. I can pay bills. I can pay and I can buy milk and bread and rice and chicken, and that's so that's I'm not trying to trade because I want a luxury car, because I don't think so I can achieve that level on the trade. I don't know. Maybe I'm too far of I'm so I'm far from that. So yeah. So share to anyone else there. I've seen a lot of traders, those I'm trying to help, and then they are like laughing at me. They said, yeah, and then they keep on posting. I know, they are a year on trading and they are trying to say that they are a good trader. I don't believe in those people. Trading is the hardest easy money that you can have. Depressing when you start trading. It's so hard. Like I don't know if you've been to that stage. Yeah. Like you are, you know, to the point that I said, okay, trading is not for me. I don't know if you have that before. I've been to that stage that, okay, trading is not for me, like that. I Yeah, I don't think because you told me like you've been a trader before, but you're new on forex, on futures, Zendo. I think you're good. You have a good read. If you can master your psychology, to tell you, trading is easy, but the psychological aspect of trading is super hard. For me, that's my opinion. You have a good read on the market. I think maybe you're not, you are more on, what I'm thinking is, I think you are more on support and resistant trader. You read where the market will pull back, and you have a good read on the level, and that's the basic concept of support and resistance. And if you are good at what you're doing, you don't need to learn the strategy that I'm telling you, because whatever strategy makes you comfortable and whatever strategy make you profitable, follow that strategy. You don't need to change strategy because you saw someone YouTuber trying to impress you and then showing you a good trade. You don't need to do that because you already have a good strategy. You don't need to change anything. And I think if you do, you will do good. I guess because just manage your emotion, manage your risk, and I think you'll do good. And don't think about money, or don't think about higher earnings on trading. Think about consistency. So if you're consistently earning $50 per day, and then big money will come sooner or later. So think about the consistency. That's the most important. Consistency, check your emotion, psychology, and uh, consistency is the best. Consistency is number one for longevity, and to earn longevity for, like, in terms of earning on trading. Consistency is what makes you earn. What makes you, uh, but what makes you consistent trader is your emotion. So consistency is what makes you earn, and what makes you consistent trader is your emotion. That's two. If you agree with me, that's two is like they are tied up to each other. So in order for you to earn, you should not think of like having a big win now. You should think of a consistent earning. Like if you have a 60% win percentage on your trade, you are consistent enough. If you can maintain that 55% to 60%, you are consistent. Some of the traders are just trying to maintain a 30% win rate, and they are consistent enough to that. So once you have that consistency, the profit will come. And in order for you to be consistent, you should check your emotion. So you should be good at controlling your emotion and the psychological aspect of trading. That too, on my opinion, is the uh, they are together on this one. So 9:30, I'm about to end my trade, guys. I'm not keeping this trade anymore at 9:30, and because I need to sleep, and I'll be awake at around 3 a.m. to trade on my express funded account, so that I can have a bread and butter, rice, chicken, and soy sauce and suka. for adobo. Good evening, my friends. How are you? Hey, VC Drums. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. Thank you for so much for supporting this live. You were always there. You and Ngenta. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Uh, yeah, please share this to anyone who's trying to, those doesn't have a strategy yet. Let them backtest this strategy. Maybe it will help them. All right. Um, let me see. I think we're still going up, right? Let's see the 5 minutes. Don suggested to check on the 5 minutes, and I will. Yeah, I agree with you, Don. I think I'll keep this. Well, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Uh, just continue furnishing your strategy, and you will do good. I think you will do good. You will do good on futures. Uh, guys, I'll be ending this live. I need to go to sleep. I mean, I have a son. I need to let my son sleep. Then after that, I'll go to sleep. Uh, Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for stopping by or like tuning in. Please share this strategy to anyone. My aim here is just to help. I'm not trying to collect a fees or anything like that for sharing my ideas, but that's my way of giving back. I think I don't need that. Um, because I'm earning enough and I don't need that. At the same time, I'm trying to be a full trader, like a full-time trader, but I think I cannot do that while living here in the USA. Maybe soon, but not now. But I still need the insurance or still need benefits from my employer. So I'm still working as a nurse, and I love what I'm doing. I am a nurse. Makes me I love helping people. You're earning at the same time you're saving people. That's good. And uh, I work as a nurse, and I am an ICU nurse. I love what I'm doing. It's a critical care. I'm seeing a lot of people suffering. Uh, I love I love helping them. At the same time, nursing job in the US pays well, although it's demanding physically, but in returns, I think it's you have like a self-fulfillment if you think about of the day or think about the day that you're helping the patient. But yeah, so I've been a nurse for almost 18 years now. I started trading 2018 forex, and then Bitcoin came. I didn't trade on Bitcoin heavily, but I was investing on Bitcoin. Then I lost a lot when I was trading forex. When I was a novice, I lost a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. I enrolled many I enrolled many courses to learn basic principle of trading. Traded stocks also. I invested stock also. I'm not really doing well. Then uh, I have an opportunity to leverage Bitcoin for some quiet time, and then during the pandemic, I lost a lot. It's like those money on Bitcoin was yeah, and then I went to some depression depressed stage of trading life, and then I stopped trading many times, and then when we moved here in the US, I was drawn to future trading, and it's because I can read it easily. And then I enrolled to a courses that I found on a YouTube. I don't know, it's a fraud maybe. I don't think so. Maybe they're good. And I enrolled for $80 monthly, and they're teaching smart money concept, and I distrust them because they are giving information like slowly. And for me, I can grasp, like if I can read what they're teaching me, or if I can watch it for 4 hours, I can like I think I have some sort of photographic memory maybe. I can grasp the concept fast. So after that, I found out ICT, and that guy is almost like teaching ICT methodology. So I watched ICT. I studied ICT for 2 months. until like I think within less than a month, I fully understood what he's teaching. So I switched to ICT trading as a scalper on a silver bullet. And at first on my demo account, I'm doing well. Then when I started on a funded account, I don't know why I'm not doing well using the ICT strategy, and I failed on the concept of liquidity. And I tried to understand liquidity. I tried to practice liquidity concept, but it fails me over and over again. So I said, okay, ICT is not for me. I also tried fast scalping, like when the fair value gap retest, like a ICT concept, and then you will bet on that fair value gap high, and then I blew my account. So I lost I lost the sense of taste. I lost my interest on ICT, and then I went back to the basic, which is the basic. Basic is the very basic. Basic candlestick pattern, support, resistance, trend line, and then moving averages. And it's where I found this moving averages that works on my emotions and works on my price action uh, analysis and works on my market structure analysis. So that's why we're here now. And then I said, okay, I don't want anyone to suffer what I'm suffering right now. So I said, okay, I will share this to anyone, and hoping that if I can share this to you, will help you. And at the same time, maybe you will help me improve this strategy, or maybe you said, okay, you need to do this, or you need to add some confluences on this strategy. But yeah, but aside from that, this strategy is for you guys if you are a scalper. After 3 months, because I will be on a hiatus for a while, starting November to February, I will not do any live, but maybe I'll try to post some videos, and then I'm finishing a course, a free course that I will share to you guys, and maybe I don't. I'm thinking of doing the Discord, but it's too complicated for me to do that. I don't have enough time to do that, so I will just share it on YouTube, the outline of the course, and it's easy to follow. And then I'm currently backtesting that strategy, and this strategy will works on futures, but it's on a 5 minutes time frame mainly, and maybe you will have one entry, and after that you leave your trade and go do your daily life, and then check it. So that strategy will start at Asia, and then maybe you will end up on the morning session or PM session. But I'm still backtesting it. It's not yet sure, guys, but that strategy actually is my strategy while I'm using it on a swing trading on a forex and Bitcoin, so where you can hold your trade for a long time. And I'm thinking of like if we can what if we can apply that on a futures, because scalping is stressful because you need to stay on the screen and watch your trade, right? So it's kind of, yeah. Uh, so that's why I said, okay, I will share the strategy to once I'm done. So I will do, because in order for you to learn that strategy, I think you need to learn first the market structure. You need to learn the price action and basic of the trading. And I will put that there to reinforce you, and I think to help the new traders understand the concept, like the basic concept of trading. So I will put it there. Uh, Good trading, guys. Good job. Good job, my friend. What's it? Don, good job. I know you have a good trade right now. Zando, thank you, my friend. Good call, and good analysis. Uh, you helped me on this trade, my friend. If I were not you, I'm already like ready to go to sleep earlier or not have an entry. But you gave me some idea, and then I went to 2 minutes, and I see what are you trying to say. Uh, And then Don also, you gave me some good complaints on when I went back to 5 minutes time frame, and that's a good one. So we have a good 700. It's not bad, although this is a combine, but it's 9:20 already, and I don't have my setup. I only hunt setup from 7:30 to 9 o'clock, and after that 9 o'clock 9 p.m. I will not hope for any setup, even though setup will continue to form because I need to sleep in. I cannot sleep while I have a trade on, like I have a trade going on. So that's my problem. Unless if I'm doing like 4 hours time frame on a forex, so it's okay because stop loss will be mitigated maybe after 3 days or maybe after a week. But if I'm scalping and if knowing that I have an entry, I cannot sleep. So that's why at 9:30 I'm done trading. So right now I'm done, guys. But thank you so much. Uh, good to see you. Uh, that's good. That's good. Right. Yeah, that's so good. That's so good. Don, that's nice. I love trading with you guys, and I'll keep doing this live for any combine that I want to pass on Asia session. Um, After 3 months, on February, I'll do live on New York session. I'll through live on New York session because after 3 months, I will have a lot of time. I will have a lot of time, guys. So yeah, but I will keep on posting some videos explaining things, and please like some of my videos. Recent Now my YouTube channel will turn to be a trading channel or teaching trading stuff. I used to share our lives and experience and our journey here in the USA. I used to share that, but by doing that, I'm not helping much. I'm just only helping the nurses. So right now, I think we'll do this trading. I think trading will help you if you are doing it right. Will help you financially if you're doing it right. Right. All right. Good night. Good night, my friends. Thank you so much. Don, thank you. Um, Johnny, thank you for passing by. Busy with drums, my friend. Always thank you for tuning in. Zandil, nice meeting you, my friend. Thank you for tonight trade. You're one of the reason why I think we hit that take profit. Uh, all right. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. And I'm out. Today is Thursday. I won't be doing trade like live tomorrow, and I'm done for the week. Thank you, guys, and see you next time. Bye.